So you want to quickly edit audio tags and metadata for your tracks on macOS. For that, there's a simple and free app called Audio Tag Editor. Let me show you how it works. First, head to the App Store and search for Audio Tag Editor. Click on it and install the app. Now, once it's open, you can import most of your audio files. As you can see, I already have a lot here in my collection. You can then click on any track you want to edit and change the tags there directly. Let's change the title and artist of this track. I'll edit these two fields here, press save, and now if we check in Finder, you can see the changes took effect. Additionally, you could add lyrics, change the composer, the track number on a disc, and more. You can also do this in bulk or edit multiple tracks at the same time. If you want to set the same album cover, artist, and album name for multiple tracks, for example, just select them all and you'll be able to edit the fields, then save. That's all. Also, if you're like me and want to keep these imported tracks in the app, you can open the app settings and check this box here so it stays consistent across app launches. If there's anything you need me to clarify, or if this has been helpful, leave a like or a comment. That's the best way to support this channel. And if you need more tips like this one, feel free to subscribe as well.